A few important things to note before we begin. Not all of the printers that use the item are listed on the box. If you're unsure whether you've ordered the right item, let us know. We're happy to help. Always take precautions when handling your consumables in order to protect surfaces. We'd recommend placing some newspaper down to prevent any damage. The appearance of the compatible products may vary. Your product may contain a small eraser. This can be used to clean the cartridge chip and remove any dust or debris. Remove the clip from the cartridge, then remove the pull tab. This is the print head, where the ink will come from. This is the cartridge chip. Remove the clip from the cartridge, then remove the pull tab. This is the print head, where the ink will come from. This is the cartridge chip.